Hi, welcome to Sherman Oaks Medical. We're here with the all-new Golden Cricket LT, the compact folding power chair from Golden Technologies. We're going to do a deep dive right now into the unit, going over all the various features of this all-new device that just came out to the market, and we're one of the first dealers to have one here on display at our showroom. So jumping into the unit, our basis for this unit, we're going to have a 26-pound folding, fully carbon fiber frame. So this is the same material that they make race cars out of, carbon fiber. It's a lightweight and strong material that's going to be great for compact travel needs all across the world. So diving into some of our various features of this chair, we're going to have an 18-inch wide seat with about 16 inches of seat depth, and Golden themselves will provide you with a complimentary memory foam cushion that is extremely comfortable with the purchase. That will go ahead and give you another inch of depth if needed for taller individuals. So some really nice features that the chair has. We're going to have flip-up armrest on both sides. We'll have a cup holder and the joystick that are reversible. So you could put the joystick on the left hand and the cup holder on the right if you're someone who drives with their left hand. We have, what's really cool about this is the foot plates that flip up, and they also do flip up and out of the way for travel or for transfers to make it convenient. This way, you'll never lose them coming off, and there's no moving parts there that can ever fall off when you're trying to maintain the device. Continuing with the side profile here of the device, so one of the first things I'm going to show, we have the battery pack here, which is our lithium-ion 10-amp battery that's fully safe for airline travel with any major airlines. So you're able to take this onto the plane. All the airline may ask you to do is take your battery pack off, and Golden made that very easy with this model. That was one of their biggest goals, was a lot of people were having trouble getting batteries on and off. So all you have to do is press the black button that's sticking out here, pull it towards you, and it comes right out. Putting that back, same process in reverse. Start from the bottom, push it forward, you'll hear a click. So they made that, again, very easy to take on and off as needed. They also put a nice charging dock here on the battery, so you could recharge just the 5-pound battery, or if you want to leave the battery on the chair, you could plug it in right here and charge just the chair itself. So you could do it from either place. As long as the battery's on the device, you could charge from here, take the battery inside, leave this in the car, charge from there. Diving into the back of the chair here, we'll start at the top here. Golden put a nice big pouch back here. They call it a magazine pocket, so it's able to hold magazines, maybe your charging cable, maybe just some general accessories and stuff you want to keep with it. But it's nice to consider that a chair this compact and lightweight has some storage options on it. On the left and right side here, we're going to have our 2 release levers. This is if we want to put the chair into freewheel mode. So we'll pull that towards us. This way we're able to nicely roll the chair like it's a manual wheelchair. Some things to consider: you don't want to rely on this mode. This is just for emergency use or for tighter areas where the user is having difficulty navigating. But you do get some motor drag on it, so it will tire yourself out pushing this like this, because the motors themselves aren't like a normal wheelchair where the bearing will move freely. You do get some of that drag from the motor. So that's just something to consider, but for emergencies, a great feature nevertheless to have. Now time to just dive into how to fold up this unit. So right now we're going to start with the cushion. This will always come off when you're folding and unfolding the unit. And again, you don't have to use the cushion they provide, even though it's a really nice memory foam one. A lot of individuals do as well, just sit on the normal seating itself just like that. So I'm going to put that cushion to the side. The next thing we're going to go ahead and do is our footrests. So again, these are going to flip up, and they flip up one more time to get out of the way. Then we're going to come here to the seat, just like any normal wheelchair, front and back. We're going to pull up slightly, tuck it in, bring it together. One of the last things we can do, we can squeeze these triggers here, drop the backrest itself down. And what you'll notice is this is getting extremely compact because we don't have any footrest sticking out here like other models, and our backrest also drops down too. So this can fit in almost any size vehicle, and again, only 26 pounds. Conveniently easy to just lift this and put it into the car. Now we'll go ahead and show how to unfold the unit. So the first thing I'm going to start with, I'm going to spread it apart, push the seat down. You want to palm it down. You don't want to jam your fingers underneath. We're going to lift the back up. We'll get a click on the right and the left side. Come here to the foot plates. We'll fold those down, open them up, or you'll keep them lifted. Sit in your device first. Kick those down very easily. Power your unit on, and you're good to roll.